My name is Mohammad Belal Hussain, your examiner for speaking test. So, what's your full name?
My name is Shahriyar Hassan Season. People call me Season.
Nice to meet you, Season. May I see your ID, please?
Sure, sir.
Thank you. Take your ID back, please.
Thank you.
Okay, Season. Now we'll begin the speaking section. Are you ready?
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
At first, I would like to ask you some general question from your childhood.
Okay, sir.
Did you enjoy your childhood?
Yes, I enjoy my childhood. A lot of interesting things happens with me. I meet a lot of friends and they are very helpful and I always miss the childhood.
Okay. What's your first memory of your childhood?
My first memory probably when we went to Cox's Bazar with my family. My parents made a trip to the Cox's Bazar and then I was so small. I can realize the full memory and little things I can remember.
Okay, that means you enjoyed a lot at your childhood.
Yes, sir.
Okay, another question for you. Did you have a lot of friends when you were a child?
Yes, I have a lot of friends when in my childhood and probably they are Sabbir on it and they are very helpful.
That means you have many friends.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What did you enjoy doing as a child?
As a child, I enjoy playing cricket, football and hang out with my friends. Beside my towns, there is a river, Korotho River, and in every evening...
Do you know how to swim?
Yes.
That means you swim several times in the river?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
With my friends.
Great. Do you think it's better for us children to grow up in the city or in the countryside?
Both has advantage or disadvantage.
Yeah.
But I think the city is very comfortable and advantage size for a child because maximum institute in this city, presence in this city, and for better education is very helpful. And in this city, a lot of people live here and they can communicate with a lot of peoples, and this is helpful for persons.
Okay. Now I would like to ask you some different question on different topic.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I would like to ask you question on study. So, what do you study, and why do you study that?
Well, I'm a student of Department of Chemistry in Chittagong University. Now I'm in second year.
Okay. Why did you choose that subject?
Actually, it's one of my best favorite subjects, most favorite subject that I like. It's my dream to complete my higher study in these subjects, and I know I can do special in these subjects. And otherwise, everything we do is chemistry, and that's why.
Do you think is it popular subject in your country?
Yes, it's quite popular subjects in our country.
Why?
Because it deals a great opportunity for our future, and that's why.
Okay.
Yes.
Do you like that subject?
Yes, I like these subjects and it's my dream.
What was your first day like at your varsity?
Well, the first year of my varsity life is quite interesting, and I was quite nervous because totally a new place.
New place, new environment. Yeah. If you had the chance, would you change the subject?
No, I don't do this.
That means you have a great attraction for that subject. Do you plan to get a job in the same field as your subject?
I'm interested to do job in this subject, but I have intention to go in government job because I want to make myself as executive magistrate.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Season, for having a wonderful time for speaking test. Thank you.
Most welcome. Thank you.